Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Direct Design YouTube channel. I am Michael Hutchinson, Hutch for short, and today we're going to tackle a very hot topic. Will AI ever replace human creativity? With all the buzz about artificial intelligence, it's easy to wonder if our creative jobs and passions are at risk. But here's the truth. AI might be smart, but it can't match the magic of the human mind, and let's find out why. Creativity is at the heart of what makes us human, from painting the Mona Lisa to composing symphonies and inventing new technologies. Our ability to imagine and to feel and to innovate is truly unique. Of course, AI can generate art, it can write stories, it can even compose music. But is it truly creative? Perhaps it's just remixing what's already seen, what it's finding, using data and algorithms and mathematical computations. It's finding and remixing something that already exists, created by humans. AI learns from patterns in data. It can mimic styles, blend genres, and surprise us with unexpected combinations. But it doesn't have feelings, experiences, or a personal story to tell. That's where humans come in. While we can all agree that AI is a powerful tool, it can help us brainstorm, it can help us automate boring tasks, it can even push our creative boundaries. But really, it's just that. It's just a tool. The spark of inspiration, the drive to express ourselves, and the courage to break the rules. That's all us. That's all humans. Here's a question for you. If, moving forward, human beings stop being creative and only rely on AI, which is really just scouring data sources for creative sources, what's going to happen? Will creativity just die altogether? So don't fear the rise of AI. Embrace it as a partner in your creative journey. Use it to amplify your ideas and not replace them, because at the end of the day, creativity is just about making things. And it's also about making meaning. Thanks everyone for watching. If you believe in the power of human creativity, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. How do you use AI in your creative process? Let's keep this conversation going, because it's a big deal at the moment. Ta-ta for now.